sex.
There's a watering can water in there just in case you bog you.
Well, we've got Rex to clean out today. I've got to get some of that poop out. Anybody think they don't get fed?
If it needs filling up in it, you can do it.
Pimple.
Pippin!
Desi bought you some water.
Pip. Do it not taste test. Pip.
She's starting to see if they're poisoned. Aww. Hi. Jasmine.
He's got a hand of poop.
It's full. See, Pippin saved him their friends. She's gonna try and bite them. Pippin lies down.
No, I'm not doing it if she doesn't like them. Don't get out. I'm doing it. It's really nice food, and I can't really sell it. You know what I'm saying?
You're not gonna like it.
No, so I can't sell them as pets. I can't risk it. But I never wanted that one.
I am missing Mick.
What new rabbits coming in?
Giant
In
one.
a cage for men on
And now you're missing Mick.
Cage, cute beard lady.
Are you missing Mick?
You're gonna keep them on.
White one says, yeah, she's
I'm catching Pippin.
but it's got no use for our rabbits.
Just watch Pippin in the video.
Get out the bucket, you fat chungus! It's okay, because you'll be gone soon.
We can't get them all in one day.
Yeah.
Purple! I do wish you'd stop taste testing, but no. I've got no use for brown rabbits. They're crosses. Jasmine, get off me. Keys, please. Desi,
This is
grab Pippin and take her up to a corner point. I've got boys up in there.
Can I go and give a handful of the soapy? Or is that the wrong
Yeah.
one?
Yeah, it's well with. Pip, come.
Pippin.
It's not Pippin, Desi, it's you. Pippin's not doing nothing wrong. Come, Pip. Yasmin, stop messing with my keys, please. Good morning, YouTube. Is there a scoop in there?
No.
No, there is. As you've heard, discussions about the rabbits. We have Rex, we have a white female,
Which is
a brown
called
female,
Flopsy.
Flopsy, yes, and we have a brown male. I never had intentions of keeping the browns. The white one, yes, but the brown ones, no. They cannot be sold as pets because they're not tame. Do you want to let the boys out, Katie?
Yeah.
So, yeah, of course you can. So I am unsure what to do, whether to keep them on or cull, because I've got no use for brown rabbits and they're not Rex coated. I'm bringing in a Rex male. I know they survived at RBD too, but so I need a long hard think about what I'm doing with the bunnies. I'm bringing in the pure breeds. Can't keep keeping crosses. So, hi birds. Not putting no food down. They've got enough food in the pens. There's only Ahmed needs food today. These guys need to clean up the pens. Yeah, take the orange bucket of food and put it all in the feeder first. Well, the feeder's in the cage. The shed, sorry. Woo! There's a tree stump there. Don't know what's that, all the duck food, but that was half full last night. I don't think it's the geese. Go. So, rabbit discussions. We will decide over the next few weeks what's happening to them. Stay tuned. Right, we've got a problem. Something wrong in my egg layer flock with Dorking Girl. She's gone pale. She's slow, she's not as lively, so...
She's usually running off, which she doesn't like being there people.
Yeah, she doesn't like people. So, I mean, you can see, you used to Dorking running. And as you can see, she ain't moving nowhere fast anyway. So, stay tuned. Right, we've got bets. There's not even that much water in it. But we've managed to get a little gas heater going. Can you get me another brick? We're going to try heating it with this. Probably not going to work. Probably not going to work. If need be, we get a proper fire going. And we burn coal.
Everyone's being horrible because no one thinks it's going to work.
We've actually got bets. Ryan says it's not going to work. Kaylee's brother says it's not going to work.
I say it might work.
It'll work, it'll take a very long time.
It'll work, but it'll take a very long time. But you got to give me 10 out of 10 for ingenuity.
Give you that.
If it don't work, then we're building a fire pit.
If you got 3 of them, it'd be a lot better.
Yeah, well, we're trying.
Or
You want to be on YouTube?
No.
No, Ryan don't want YouTube. Also, to say it, tell him to say it to the camera.
I know how that. I had one of them. And he had a pan of water, and it took, what, 25 to 30 minutes just to warm the pan of water up.
Well, we'll leave it going. There's about half a bottle of gas there, so that'll probably die out before the water's red up.
Probably.
But it's worth a try.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. A little idea, it worked. Gas bottle's been taken out to check that it's cool so it's not heating up. Removed it, switched it off. The water was at 48.6 degrees. The water's manky because I've been, I don't know if you can see, cleaning it. Half cleaned, half not. The fact it worked is a bonus. Kaylee's apparently got a load of butane gas as well. It's a tank.
That's water.
Is it? Does it work?
put water into it for ages, but all that spins in the middle.
Oh, you know we're trying that in greenhouse.
Yeah, I just said to Kaylee.
It's a waterer! You know we're trying that in greenhouse. It worked! I've been cleaning it, I've been sanding it down, you know, to get rust off. It's done it. I think I've actually just made a boiler. I'm shocked. It was 48.6 degrees.
We got like a temperature on the phone.
No, Kaylee brought out a thermometer.
Oh, right.
The water was at 48.6 all the way around. It used quarter of a bottle of gas.
Exactly economic, is it?
No, it's not economic, but it worked. Might take 3 bottles of gas each minute. But while we're building fire pit, it works. Oh.
There you go.
Cool, pop them on chair, we'll test them.
Well,
I knew there were loads more.
I'll leave one pack out and then I'll put the rest in the shade.
Yeah.
It's never good in heat either.
No, they do tend to make quite a bit of a dent.
Now we'll
in the
make sure
floor.
these fit.
Yeah,
Oh, they ought to.
They will. The exact same size.
Yep, they'll fit. Just say it might take 2 or 3 each time. But while I'm building fire pit,
I think you'd be surprised they actually last for ages.
we're going to 48, we need it at 100, 140.
When I was using mine, one canister usually lasted me a full month. And that was cooking on it almost every single day.
So, this is what you call proper making use of whatever you can. Fire bricks, oil drum, and a butane gas heater, and we made a boiler.
Better than 400 quid on.
Yeah, it cost me 400 quid for a pocket. So, stay tuned. This could be interesting tonight.
There'll have to be some more.
All people are mardy. We have a boiler barrel cleaned. I've not done the top section because we're cutting it off tomorrow. We've had a bit of issues, so it's kind of put us behind a bit tonight. But it's all nice and shiny.
Clean.
Clean. I spent half an hour scrubbing it with very coarse sandpaper that sticks to your hands till it gets wet. Stuck to my watering can.
It's actually sticky before it gets wet.
Yeah, once it gets wet, it's not sticky no more.
No.
We'll find out what's going off in there for me, Katie.
Someone sounds like they're arguing.
Well, I had to pull the Peking boy out because he decided that he was going to try and rampant one of the red caps. I think it's in main shed, in chick shed.
Other one, back.
She's got a wrong shed. No, it's clean. We'll set it boiling tomorrow. It's stopped now.
Might have been the because it was stood right thinking. It was from.
No, it was from there because that were 2 hens, one grabbing hold of the other. One had got hold of the other. The meat birds are starting to fight. No, it's nice and clean. Shiny barrel! Well, shiny-ish. On that bit. Not that bit. It is on that bit.
Look better once we've trimmed it and.
Finished tomorrow morning. I've just put a sprinkler in. It's coming, it's coming. That is sort of sprinkling. It's not doing the spinny bit that it's supposed to. Think we need WD-40. Yeah, it's sprinkling, just not spinning. Yeah.
Yeah. That's not so bad.
Yeah, but it's supposed to be spinning because it's not watering the pumpkin properly.
Put it some water out.
Yeah, it's putting some water out, but not enough.
Bear in mind it's been sat for well over 4 years doing no.
Try to lay the beans.
Well, the potatoes are watered. Right, go and switch it off a sec, 'cause I need to spin it. Pardon? Bugger off! I'll send the kids to do it.
Yeah, I think it might have seized a bit.
Yeah. Once Katie switched it off, I'll spin it and loosen it a bit. But it's not turned off yet. Oh, we've gone limp. Yeah, definitely needs some WD-40.
Maybe it just needs spinning a bit more. With it being laid on front garden.
That bit's spinning a bit better now, look. Right, we'll aim it so I know the water's going to hit that way a bit. You ready?
Yeah, no.
Run, Katie, run!
I like that. Yeah, no.
Yeah, you're not running. Quicker! Quicker! She's failed. Hey, we gotta run!
Or a half trot.
No. I think I can get closer to it this time. Well, it's not covering a wide distance. But we've got a leakage there. Yeah, I'm getting wet now. Right, stay tuned, I'm going to get wet.